In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this HUAWEI. Firstly, you need to find and access Devices settings. After that, scroll down and look for Storage section. When you find it, click on it. Now select Cleanup over here, wait a couple of seconds and choose Cleanup next to Junk Files. And now, as you can see, storage of my HUAWEI was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!